let's take a look at what we expecting for the day on our GBP USD. So make sure you subscribe if you are yet to do that, and click on the bell notification so that once we drop an you will get the updates. Now, if you take a look at this USD, why? Like we said previously, that we are in a downtrend move. USD JPY is giving us a bearish move. So if you are a position trader or you are a swing trader, what you would want to be doing right now on your GBP USD is a sell. You would want to be looking for sell setup. So now is still the best time to actually hoping for the sell, because in the long run, USD JPY will still GBP USD will still drop massively and take out this low right here. So if you can enter and market just to take out this low, you would catch about 400 pip. So you have a potential 400 pip movement to catch on your GBP USD. So this is one of the reasons why I said a sell is still what we'll be anticipating for in the long term on our GBP USD. Now let's start with this movement. This is our first low that markets gave us. Then here comes the lower high. Market was able to drop and give us a new lower low. So once this lower low plays out finish, which I do not believe that finish. So once this new lower low plays out finish, you'll be anticipating for another lower high, then another lower low. So this is still a bearish move. GBP, we are still very much on a bearish move. Now let's go down to the forward time frame. So this is our main rejection zone right here. That markets formed a double top right here, right? When markets formed a double top here, we saw it drop, and then a pullback was made. So it gave us another drop, and now this is the pullback that GBP is currently playing out. So by London section, once the London section opens, the pullback should have played out finished. Then with that, we can now start be anticipating for another drop on GBP. So a bearish move for the day is what to be expecting. If there be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So do not miss out on that update and subscribe button. Now